Sa British Columbia, sold out na ang family concert kung saan tampok talento ng isang Pinoy teen pianist na may autism at ang kapatid niyang ventriloquist.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Naghahanda na ang pamilyang Banyes mula Richmond, British Columbia para sa isang sold-out family concert na gaganapin sa November 8 sa Richmond Cultural Center Performance Hall.
Yes, so Lazarus is 13 and Estella is 11. Dolly, our friend, is 5 and a half. And we are extremely excited for this Saturday for the Nursery Rhymes Jams because this is the first ever concert that the kids actually are producing, directing, hosting, and performing at all by themselves.
May autism ang 13-year-old na piano player na si Lazarus. Pero ang hilig niya sa musika at ang pakikinig sa pagkanta ng iba pang mga bata naging inspirasyon daw para sa pagbuo ng kanilang family concert.
So with music, it actually calms him and it actually soothes him, and that's his element. So he also has been recently diagnosed with Tourette's syndrome. So that's something that's quite new that we are, working with. And he's also a teenager now. So there's a lot of things that he's going through as he's developing. But the thing that's been always consistent is the music.
Kasama rin sa concert na magaganap ang puppet na si Dolly dahil ang 11-year-old na performer na si Estella at kapatid ni Lazarus, isang self-trained ventriloquist.
Well, it all really started with her grandma, Lola. She told her, "Oh, can you try to talk with your mouth closed?" And she was like, "What?" So then she started looking deeper into stuff, and I would say that she's self-taught. Yeah, self-taught. I just watched a lot of videos.
Libre ang concert na pinondahan ng Youth Neighborhood Small Grants Program ng Richmond Cares, Richmond Gives at Vancouver Foundation.
It's been a labor of love between the two of them. And just for me to witness that is like just a joy, really.
At yan ang mga balita ngayon araw. Itong Omni News Filipino. Maraming salamat po.